Welcome back to Keep It On High. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. So I've documented this new construction custom build that's been done by Capstone Construction, all with drones. I've completely filmed each stage up to now. The garage doors have been installed. Now let's lift them up and I'm gonna fly around through it, keeping it on high, showing a recap of that. And then we're gonna get a peek of the driveway since the concrete was poured and it's ready to go. Keep it on high.
Keep it on high, baby! There you go, now. Keep it on high. Hey, don't stop. Keep it on high, baby.
Always keep it on high.